is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your username on chess.com, so let's get right into it. Now, what you're going to need to do is locate your account settings. You can do this in a couple of different ways. You can go and hover over chess.com and click profile, or just click your profile name once you're logged in through the main page. Click on that, and once you're here, you need to go to the top right of your account info, then just click edit, and you'll arrive at your account settings on profile. You can also go to the bottom left on the settings page here, or on the settings tab on the gear icon, then just go and click on all settings, and you'll arrive at the same page, no different. Now, what you need to do is locate your username. As you can see, it is the first tab over here, or the first line here, the first option. And what you need to do to change it is, of course, just click change next to your username like so, and here you can enter your username. Now, what exactly, as you can see, you can only change your username once every 90 days, so make sure you change it to something you want and you don't want to change it again, or at least for the time being. Then all you have to do, enter your new username here and click save, and that should be pretty much it. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.